name is Jessica if you're new here. I am the blogger behind MissMoreStyle.com. Here on YouTube, I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And today we are doing the fall 2021 Curator box unboxing. I literally cannot believe that it is already time for the fall box. Where is this year going? Honestly, like, it's just flying by. If you have never heard of the Curator box before, you're completely like, what is this? It is a subscription box. It is basically one of the two subscription boxes that I enjoy and love. And it used to be called the Rachel Zoe box of style, but I believe like late last year, they kind of like rebranded it into being the Curator box. It is a quarterly subscription box. It is about $99 a quarter. I believe it's slightly less if you go in and you just purchase the whole year membership. You save a little bit of money. But the reason why I love this subscription box over like literally any others is because you get 5 items, and usually the contents of the box is worth like well over $500, if not much more than that. All of the pieces are like a really cool mix of like fashion, accessories, beauty, lifestyle items. It's just a really good mix of that. And I know that there's other subscription boxes that are not as expensive where you get more stuff, but honestly with this box, it is quality over quantity. I've gotten some subscription boxes that are like lifestyle or whatever, and you get a lot of crap in them sometimes for like maybe a couple things that you like. But every time I get a Curator box, I'm just always loving all of the pieces that are in there. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you're interested in trying out the Curator box, you've never tried it before, I've got a link and a promo code down in the description box so that you can save some money on your first box. It's usually around like $25-ish or sometimes $35. So make sure that you go down in the description box for the link and the promo code that I've got for you guys. Let's get into this, shall we? Is the inside of the box. Welcome to a life well curated. So one thing to love about the Curator box is it always comes with a really awesome, like basically like magazine type thing where you're getting all the information about everything that's going to be in here. It's just so beautifully done. It just feels very editorial and magazine like. There's Rachel Zoe, the icon herself. All right, so what do we got here? What do we got? The first thing that pops out to me is this little box. It is a Naeem Khan candle. This candle retails for $95. And of course, I just did my nails and it's got one of these sticker things. Where were we? Bubble wrap. ASMR. Did you enjoy that? I hope you did. Okay. Glass of this candle, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's kind of like a really pretty iridescent, and it's got kind of like a vintage vibe to it. It's got this sort of like beaded sort of situation. There is the top. Oh, it's rose scented. That smells so good. I'm just gonna keep sniffing it. This is gonna look so pretty like in my living room or on my dresser, wherever I put it. And then once it's burned out, it's just really like a really pretty glass. So I feel like I could use this to like hold makeup brushes, just like other little odds and ends in my bathroom, and it will look really pretty on my vanity. $95. Let's start totaling up our box total here. Next up, we have a shawl or like poncho type situation from the brand Parrish LA. And I will insert a shot of me wearing this so that you can see it. But I am really loving this sort of like graphic print of like stripes going in different directions of the tan, the white, and the black. This is just going to be, I think, so chic come fall, whenever that happens here in LA, which might be a million years from now based on the temperature that it is right now at 9 o'clock at night. But I think it's so chic. It's very like, it's kind of thin, so it's not super thick. So I think this will be really nice and appropriate to wear in LA, and it feels really, really soft. It feels pretty like high quality, I would say. And you know, Rachel Zoe, or the Curator box in the past, and also the Rachel Zoe box of style in the past, has definitely given these types of things in the fall box. I feel like it's kind of like their go-to move, but I don't hate this one. They've done some other ones in the past that I ended up giving away to friends because I didn't love, but I really could definitely see myself wearing this one because I just love the tones in it. I love the graphic stripes. I just think it's really cool. It could really just dress up like a solid turtleneck and jeans in the fall with some boots. Oh, I can already see it now. So this is the Stevie poncho. It retails for $148. It's just like a really beautiful luxe knit. Like, this is a very, very well-made piece. I'm really, really impressed with this, honestly. I kind of like don't know what this is about. It's got this like kind of like random red stitching on the top, but I don't know, it's kind of an interesting touch. Someday when I'm not sweating like I am right now, I'll be wearing this so much. Okay, on to the third item. This is Nuori. I might not focus on it super well because it's a little blown out, but this is a Vital Repair Serum. It's rehydrating and soothing antioxidant complex. It's a lightweight, intensely hydrating serum that calms and deeply rehydrates skin while targeting both emerging and existing visible signs of photo damage. Perfect for skin exposed to seasonal or lifestyle stressors. So this is kind of a perfect thing for them to include in a fall box, because coming out of summer, we've all kind of probably done a little bit of damage to our skin with the sun, being outside in the sun. So this is sort of a great product to help restore your skin after all the months in the summer sun. This serum is valued at $69. Actually came just in time because I'm almost out of both my nighttime and daytime serum, so I will definitely be trying this out very, very soon. It feels like so nice on the skin. It doesn't feel like super oily or anything, and it really soaks in really, really well. If you all want to know sort of my thoughts on beauty products like this in real time, you can always follow me on Instagram, where I give more of my like real-time opinions and thoughts and reviews of things on my Instagram stories. So definitely check the description box for the links to all my social media handles if you want to come and hang out with me elsewhere on the internet. Next, we have a kohl eyeliner from Jillian Dempsey, who is a makeup artist here in LA. She makes a makeup line that is cruelty-free, organic, and whoa, this eyeliner is valued at $20. It is a pencil eyeliner, which is not usually my favorite. I like the ones that are like retractable. It does have this nice little smudger tool on the other side, so that this kind of helps you, like once you line your eyes, to kind of smudge out the eyeliner and make a nice smoky eye effect look. The pigmentation is really nice. It goes on very, very smoothly, I have to say. It's a hyper blendable formula, ultimate smudge and go staple for your makeup routine. You can't say no to an eyeliner, right? Black eyeliner, it's classic. Last but not least, it looks like we've got some jewelry, which is so exciting because I freaking love when they put jewelry in the box of the Curator box, because it's always so freaking cute. Oh my god! Look at that! This is so fun. This is so like, it looks like a watch band, obviously, but like smaller, like a men's. Looks like a classic like men's style watch band, but with no watch, and thinner, like a little bit more feminine than a men's watch band would be. But I just love that like chain link. This is so unlike any bracelet that I have in my collection, and so I'm so excited to use this and mix it with my other pieces. I think it's going to look really good stacked with other things. But this apparently is the choice item. I don't get to choose my choice items because I get this box gifted to me by Curator, so they just kind of send me whatever they want. So it looks like there's this one, which is the Timepiece bracelet, and it is valued at $89. And then the other choice was the Abuja bracelet, which was $79. And honestly, I'm glad that I got this one because the other one I don't like as much as this. Let's total up the total value of this season's box. Okay, so my box this season is a grand total of $421. I have to say that's quite a bit lower than Curator boxes are normally valued at. I've had some that are valued at like nearly $800. So the value is not quite as high as some of the other boxes that they've done in the past. However, I'm really excited about several of the items. This bracelet I'm super stoked about. The knit poncho, and also the candle. Like, oh my god, it's a beautiful candle. So serum and the eyeliner are not bad picks as well. I personally tend to get more excited about things that I can wear. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, that's just me personally, because like fashion is my like true love. Let me know down in the comments if you guys got the other bracelet. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Let me know what your favorite subscription box is, if you get a different subscription box than the Curator box. What are some that you really love? I would love to know. I love chatting with you guys down in the comments, so please make sure to leave me a comment and say hi. If you're not already subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button right down there and join my YouTube fam. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really does help me out. And make sure that while you're here, you check out a couple more videos. I've picked some that I think you guys are really gonna like. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.